start by playing a game. And the game we're going to play is called the laser beam game. Now, I know that you're all separated all back there, and that's awesome, fantastic. Now, if you want to move forward, feel free. If you don't want to, you can. And let's play the laser beam game. So we're going to start by warming up our bodies a little bit. If you created an expectation that you're going to be sitting down during this whole entire program, it's totally 100% you can. My question to you is, how do you play when you're with your kids, and how do you play here? So if you're a person that just sits and watches and yells, then I expect you to be sitting and doing the same thing. And if you're a person that likes to move and enjoys their teaching and loves their kids, then hopefully I'll see you stand up. So let's just see. No big deal. Ready? I like the way you're standing up. I like the way you're standing up. Do I want you sitting or standing? All right, good for her. All right, awesome. All right, so we're going to play the laser beam game. And the laser beam game goes like this. I brought a laser all the way from the far distance of New Jersey to chop off your head. So this laser sounds a little bit like this. Now, do you have lasers, or do only I have lasers? Okay, got it. She's already trying to jump into the program. All right, ready? So now this is going to chop off your head. Feel free to do whatever you think is right. Nice. So we had a couple people go like this. Awesome. Cool. We had a couple people go sideways. Some people down. We had one person go like this. So that's fine. I'm sure your classroom was full of excitement and joy. Like, why would you want to entertain your kids? Because your class was working so well anyway. Or you might want to be open to maybe trying something new. Let's try that one more time. Ready? That was awesome. She just went like like that. That was good for you. All right. So let's try that one more time. By the way, after you do that, you notice that sensation when your teeth start to show, and there's like this interesting thing here? That's called the smile. I know it's education, but if you try to sneak those in once in a while, you'll actually enjoy yourself. So instead of, I can't wait till it's 6 o'clock, it's like, I can't wait till I want to be with my kids. That kind of makes sense? Awesome. So now I brought the other laser with me, and this is going to chop off your feet. Nice! That was awesome. Give yourselves a round of applause. Nice! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.